Are you insecure about your height? Have you watched hundreds of videos on the internet but haven't found a quality guide yet? I promise you, this video is going to be one of the best in-depth guides on height that you have ever seen. My mother's height is 5 feet, my father's height is 5 feet 5 inches, and my height is 5 feet 11 inches, which is considered tall in India. Unknowingly and knowingly, I was doing some things that gave me a growth advantage. Before making this video, I researched all those things in detail. This is my ultimate height maximizing guide. Dispelling myths first. Will your height increase after 18? The answer is yes. Normally, we grow 2 inches every year before puberty, and during puberty, we grow at a rate of 4 inches per year. Our height normally stops increasing between the ages of 18 and 20. Some people stop growing before 18, and some continue growing until 21 to 22. Can your height increase after 18? It might, because you don't know if your height will grow until age 21 or not. So, we should do everything we possibly can until we're in our early 20s. The rate of growth will slow down, but it's not like your body will instantly stop growing the moment you turn 18. Our body grows until the early 20s. So what if you put in the efforts, you grow even an inch? There is no guarantee, but we should give our maximum effort. I hope your doubt is clear now. Now let's start this video. 1. Basketball or volleyball. These sports combine jumping, sprinting, and stretching, which encourages growth. Try to play for 30 to 60 minutes at least 3 times a week. 2. The cobra stretches. Fantastic for opening up the spine and stretching the chest, which improves back flexibility. Hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat 3 times daily. 3. Maasai jumps. Inspired by the Maasai tribe, this exercise reportedly creates microfractures in the shin bones that heal back longer and stronger. Do 10 sets of 100 jumps, 5 days a week. 4. Diet and sleep. Focus on foods rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Aim for at least 9 hours of sleep nightly, as this is when the body grows. 5. Dead hang. This is a game changer for stretching your spine and fixing posture. Correcting a slouch can make you appear 2 to 3 inches taller. Do 2 sets of 30-second hangs, 5 days a week. 6. Toe touches. This stretches the hamstrings, spine, and lower back, improving posture and flexibility. Stand straight, bend forward, and try to touch your toes without bending your knees. 7. Calf stretches. Always stretch your calves after any jumping or running session. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds on each leg for 3 sets. 8. Downward dog. This yoga pose is excellent for targeting the hamstrings, calves, and spine, promoting overall flexibility. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds 3 times a day. 9. Sky reaches. This action stretches the rib cage and spine effectively. Stand straight and reach your arms up as high as you can. Do 3 sets of 15 reps every day. 10. Skipping rope, great for stimulating growth plates, building stamina, and working legs. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes daily as a standalone workout or warm-up. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more self-improvement and fitness content.